purpose of this video is to provide the step-by-step process required to apply Epic using the T-bar back roll method. This method is recommended when using Ultra Grip or UDT aggregates. The T-bar back roll method provides maximum coverage rates and ensures that Ultra Grip and UDT aggregates get evenly dispersed. Refer to the Epic training manual for supplies needed. Before beginning, test the environmental conditions within the area to be finished using a psychrometer and infrared thermometer. Epic shall not be applied when the humidity is above 70%. Epic shall not be applied when the air temperature is above 90 degrees Fahrenheit or below 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Apply protective walk-off matting at the doorway. Tape a trash bag to the floor at your planned exit to pick up any excess Epic upon completion. Confirm the square footage of the area to be coated. Make sure you have the correct amount of Epic prepared to mix. The standard kit gloss or matte will cover 300 to 400 square feet. The contractor kit gloss or matte will cover 600 to 800 square feet. Fit rollers and T-bar refills on frames. Put on rubber gloves and safety glasses prior to mixing and applying Epic. Refer to safety data sheets for additional information relating to safe handling practices. Mix Epic. Refer to Epic Part A label or Epic Training Manual for instructions. Always stir Epic before pouring. Begin by pouring a line of Epic approximately 3 to 4 inches wide across the entire area from wall to wall. Drag or pull the T-bar at a slight angle across the room. Epic should run off the edge of the T-bar away from the wall. After 1 to 2 passes with the T-bar, back roll the Epic right along the wall using the back roller. After 2 to 3 more passes with the T-bar, begin the back roll process with a larger back roller. Push back and forth with adequate pressure to level and remove all lines and streaks left by the T-bar. When approaching walls, rotate the T-bar 90 degrees and pull the T-bar along the wall approximately 18 inches. Then, rotate the T-bar 180 degrees so that the wet edge of the T-bar is now against the wall. Continue to drag the T-bar at a slight angle back across the room. Make sure the puddle for the T-bar never runs dry by pouring additional Epic on the floor. Continue with the T-bar process. Continue with the back rolling process. Feather roll into previously rolled areas by rolling just past the previous roller lines and lifting the roller slowly like an airplane taking off. Apply Epic to hard-to-reach areas with a 2-inch paintbrush. When approaching the room exit or a corner, make an L shape along the sidewall by turning the T-bar 90 degrees to the original line of Epic. Make 2 to 4 passes with the T-bar along the sidewall. Resume making 2 to 4 passes on the original line. While back rolling, the back roller technician should step back and allow the T-bar technician to pass. Keep back rollers as dry as possible and never roll into the puddle of Epic. If back rollers become saturated with Epic, squeeze out excess Epic on a dry part of the floor. Backroll quickly, as the epic will start to become tacky in 1 to 2 minutes. Backrolling into the epic that has begun to set up will leave roller marks. Keep a rag or paper towel handy to wipe the epic that may end up on the wall base or permanent fixtures. When exiting the room, pull all excess epic into the trash bag that is taped to the floor. Place the wet T-bar in the trash bag. Pull the tape and remove the trash bag from the floor. Finish backrolling. Remove tape and walk-off matting from all doorways.